Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix account warning on TikTok. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So if you are facing this type of problem, it's showing here account warning on your profile menu, then what we have to do is just simply take a screenshot from here. So you have to take a screenshot from your profile menu, and then what you have to do is just simply close this page. And then let me tell you that you have to open any browser in your phone, like I am opening Google Chrome here. So guys, after that what you have to do is just simply search for TikTok feedback. Search for this, and you have to open first link www.tiktok.com, share your feedback TikTok, and you will see this type of interface. And here you can see here is the form, so you have to fill it. Firstly, you have to give your email, so you have to give your email for contact here, and then you have to give your username here, and then you have to select account ban and suspension, and you have to write about your problem. So what you have to do is just simply, I'm going to copy it, so this was given in the description as well. So what you have to do is just simply tap on upload, and here you have to give your screenshot which you have taken of your profile menu. So just simply check both of these, and then what you have to do is just simply tap on submit, and your request will be submitted, and they will respond after 24 hours, and you will receive an email from TikTok team, and they will tell you how to fix you this type of error. So this is guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.